Let's look at this example, a system of linear equations which you need to solve. Okay, so if you look at this particular problem, x and y are variables, we need to find the value of x and y. But this is not in that format of like that for particular format which you might have studied, right? a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, right? And a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Look at it. This is not in that particular format. They have given the equation in the form of a fraction over here. How are you to approach these kind of problems? It's very simple. What you need to do is that you need to do some substitutions over here and bring it to that particular format so that your life becomes easy. 1 by x minus y and 1 by x plus y. Can I remove them out? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put it as like this. Let 1 by x minus y is equal to a and 1 by x plus y is equal to b. Look at it. I can do that substitution to make it in the form of simultaneous linear equation so that I can go ahead and solve and later put these values back. Okay, so what is your first equation becoming? So it becomes 30a. This will become 30a plus 44b is equal to 10. It's the same as that if I replace, and the second equation will become what? 40a plus 55b is equal to 13. Look at it. So what I'm going to do first is that find the values. Now I converted x, the combination of that fraction, into two different variables a and b. Can I find the values of a and b over here? Yes, I can do that. What can I do over here? Look at it. Can I use the elimination method to do it? Here I have 30a and here I have 40a. Can I make these two same, the coefficients same over here? What should I do? I'll go ahead and multiply this with 4 and I'll go ahead and multiply with this 3. Look at it. What do I get? When I multiply this 4, I get 120a plus 156b is equal to 40, right? And now the second equation I'm going to multiply, I'm going to get 120a plus 3, this will become 165b is equal to 339. Look at it. Okay, so now between these two equations, what can I do? Can I do a subtraction from equation 1 and equation 2? Can I subtract both of them? Look at it. I can do that. So this becomes 180a minus 180a. Okay, then what do you have? You have a plus 156b in the first equation and you're going to remove this one. So this becomes 165b is equal to, this becomes 40 minus 39. Look at it. So this gets cancelled out. What are you left with? You're left with only b. Can we go ahead and calculate b? So 156 minus 159b will be how much? It will be 9 minus 9b, right? Is equal to 1. 40 minus 39. So you get b is equal to minus 1 by 9. Leave it. Now, can I use this particular value and put it in the original equation, one of them, and get the value of a? Okay, let's do that. So you have 30a. You have 30a plus 44b is equal to 10, right? I'm going to put the value of b there. 30a plus 44 times minus 1 by 9. This becomes minus 1 by 9 is equal to 10. So what does it become? This becomes minus 44 by 9. So write it as 30a equal to 10 minus 44 by 9, which is equal to 30a will be equal to 9 into 10, 90. 90 minus 44 is 46. So 46 by 9. So therefore a will be equal to 46. This one. Look at it. Can you do that? You got the value of a, right? Whatever it is. If you say 2 15s are and 2 23s are over here. Okay, so you get 23 by 45 over here. So you got the values of b is equal to this much and a is equal to this much. Now what you need to go back, you need to replace those values with what you have started with, right? Let's rub all these things, just have those values what you have calculated. Leave it like that. Okay, so now a, you have substituted 1 by x minus y as a. So put it as 1 by x minus a. So what was your value of a? It is 23 by 45. 23 by 45 is equal to 1 by x minus y. That's the first equation you're going to get. Another set of simultaneous equation you're going to get. And b is equal to, it is 1 by x plus y. So this will become minus 1 by 9 is equal to 1 by x plus y over here, right? So now can I change these? What do I get if I do a cross multiplication? I get x minus y is equal to 45 by 23. Look at it, the first equation. And here I'm going to get x plus y. I'll get x plus y is equal to minus 9. Look at it. That is what I'm going to get, right? Now, using these two equations, can I go ahead and solve again? So put it here, x plus y is equal to minus 9. These two equations, look at it, I can directly eliminate. I don't have to do any mathematical operations. So I get 2, I'm adding these two equations so that these gets cancelled out. 2x is equal to 45 by 23 plus 9. So what do you get? X is equal to 23 into 9. It will be, I'm not doing the calculations, you can do it, 23 divided by 46. That will be the value of x, whatever it comes out to be. I don't want to waste time by doing that. Now, by using this particular value, put it in one of the equations, you should be able to get the value of y. Understood? This is how you tackle these kind of problems. What did you do in this particular problem is that you have used the logic of simultaneous equation twice, right? Okay.